KOLBUS stands for excellence in motion, and the WF100 is the perfect example. With speeds of up to 300 m per minute and web widths of up to 135 centimeters, the WF100 handles paper from 28 to 160 GSM. Designed specifically for the book market, this machine, used in conjunction with the LS100 book block stacker, is the only digital web converting machine that produces a 3-side open lay-flat book block suitable for all binding styles. Compatible with all available digital print engines or as a standalone machine. It adapts to operation online and offline. Cutting and turning off the paper ensures the even arrangement of the pages, eliminating color variation and paper curl. Camera recognition ensures the perfect alignment of each page. Cut sheet collating of multiple pages from 4 to 128 is achieved using an accumulation drum, while automatic waste diversion is monitored via QR code, ensuring only perfect finished products. Spot gluing secures blocks for transportation or subsequent binding. The delivery of glued blocks or folded sections caters for a range of market segments. KOLBUS WF100. Excellence in motion, page after page.